After Absalom was defeated and killed, his army ran back to their homes. Soon after that, the people of Israel started to remember all the good things that David did for them. Finally, they issued a call and asked him to come back and be our king. All the tribes were involved in that except the tribe of Judah. So David sent Judah a message saying, "Why didn't you invite me back to be king? After all, I am one of you." Well, immediately the tribe of Judah sent him a message quickly, said, "Please come back and be our king." And then they rushed and helped David and his family go across the Jordan River. As soon as David got on the other side of the river, Shimei came running up and fell down before him and said, I know I sinned against you when you ran from Jerusalem. Please do not punish me for that. You see, I'm the first one here to welcome you back as our king." Joab's brother drew out his sword and said to David, "You are the anointed of the Lord, and this man has disgraced you." David said, "Put away your sword. This is a special day. I'm once again king. No one will die by the sword today." Then he looked at Shimei and said, "You won't die for what you've done." At that point, there became a division among the tribes once again. The other tribe said to Judah, "Why didn't you invite us to go with you to bring him back across the river?" They said, "Well, because he's one of us." They said, "Well, he's king of all of Israel, which means he's 10 times more our king than yours." And this division between the tribes just intensified. Finally, a man by the name of Sheba stepped forward and blew the ram's horn and said, "This man David is no longer king of Israel. Let Judah have him. Let's go home." And then the tribes left. And only Judah took David back to Jerusalem.